Hi everyone, this is Richard from Our Vision Graphics here, and today I take you through a short tutorial of how you can activate your IDM after it expires over the 30-day probation period is due. So to begin with, I'll provide the link to the file in the description of my video so you can find it and install it as well. So after you are done installing After you're done downloading the file, you go to your settings and you go ahead to privacy and security. After that, you go to Windows security, you go to virus and threat protection, and you go ahead to manage settings. In manage settings, you turn off real-time protection and you go ahead to install the downloaded file, which will be provided in the link in the description below. So this is the file. You right click. It is advisable to use WinRAR. So you open your WinRAR and you right click, and if you have IDM installed on your PC already, you just go ahead to open this particular folder, which is the activation folder. So after you are done, you go ahead to click on this one, and the password to the file is 123. So after you are done, you enter and you accept it. So after you are done, you are greeted with this page, and you select the second option by pressing number 2 on your keyboard. So it begins the process and it deletes registry keys to the old IDM or the IDM which has expiry that is D. So yes, you after some time you have your IDM activation successfully reset, and that is it. You are good to go, and that is all. So if you found this video helpful, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching to the end. Until we meet again, I'm out.